Eat this before bed to boost circulation in legs and feet. It's 12:47 p.m. and once again, you find yourself staring at the ceiling. Your legs feel heavy, cold, and sluggish, like the blood inside them is struggling to keep up. You try to stretch, but nothing changes. The heartbreaking truth? Over 4 million seniors feel this every night, and it's not just age taking its toll. It's a silent signal that your blood flow is collapsing overnight. And new research reveals that it often begins years before most people notice the first symptom. Doctors refer to it as nocturnal vascular slowdown, a condition that quietly deprives your legs of oxygen while you sleep. And what is worse? 99% of seniors make it worse every single night, all because of what they don't eat before bed. A groundbreaking 2024 University of Exeter study found that certain bedtime food combinations can boost leg circulation by as much as 98% in just one day, and almost no one's talking about it. Big Pharma would rather keep selling blood thinners and circulation creams than admit the truth. There are natural, food-based ways to restore blood flow, strengthen your veins, and keep your legs warm and pain-free. These findings come from quiet longevity research in Japan, Italy, and Denmark, where people in their 80s still hike hills daily, with no swelling, cramps, or restless legs. And today, you are about to learn their secret. In this video, we'll explore 5 clinically backed bedtime foods shown to significantly improve blood flow and circulation overnight. Before we begin, I'm curious, where are you watching from? I love seeing how far this message reaches. Drop your answer below. We read and reply to every single comment. And don't miss the number 1 combo, proven to increase blood flow in the legs by up to 68% overnight. Number 6. Raw cacao with cayenne pepper. Raw cacao is packed with flavanols that increase nitric oxide production, a benefit confirmed by Harvard Medical School research on cocoa and vascular health. Cayenne pepper adds capsaicin, which gently raises circulation and body temperature. In a 2017 Frontiers in Nutrition study, capsaicin improved microcirculation in peripheral tissues. Together, these two foods create a warming bedtime drink that opens blood vessels and relieves that cold leg feeling. Try this: mix 1 tablespoon of raw cacao powder with a pinch of cayenne and warm almond milk before bed. Next, 5. Beetroot blended with pineapple. Beets are nitrate-rich, and in a circulation research trial from 2015, nitrate supplementation significantly increased blood flow to skeletal muscles. Pineapple brings in bromelain, a natural enzyme shown in phytotherapy research, 2016, to reduce inflammation and swelling. Together, this blend supports smoother blood flow and reduces nighttime leg puffiness. Blend half a cooked beet with half a cup of pineapple. It's sweet, tangy, and powerful. Number 4. Tart cherry juice with chia seeds. Tart cherries are famous for their anthocyanins, antioxidants proven in a 2018 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study to improve vascular function. They also boost natural melatonin, helping you sleep deeper. Chia seeds add omega-3s, which improve blood fluidity and reduce inflammation. Together, they form a potent circulation-supporting pudding. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia into half a cup of tart cherry juice, let it sit 15 minutes, and eat before bed. Number 3. Kiwi with Greek yogurt. Kiwi is high in vitamin C and serotonin precursors. In a sleep medicine study, 2011, people who ate 2 kiwis before bed slept 42 minutes longer on average. Better sleep helps blood vessels repair and recover overnight. Yogurt provides magnesium and calcium, essential for proper muscle contraction and vascular tone. Together, they calm your nerves and promote restful, oxygen-rich sleep. Number 2. Spinach drizzled with extra virgin olive oil. Spinach is loaded with natural nitrates. In a Journal of Nutrition study, 2015, spinach increased plasma nitrate and improved vascular reactivity after just 1 serving. Olive oil adds vitamin E and monounsaturated fats that enhance nitrate absorption and protect blood vessel walls from oxidative damage. 1 small bowl of lightly steamed spinach with olive oil before bed can help you feel noticeably warmer by morning. And our top performer, walnuts with cinnamon. Walnuts contain L-arginine, the amino acid your body uses to create nitric oxide. A Nutrition, Metabolism and Cardiovascular Diseases study, 2018, found that just 8 weeks of walnut intake improved endothelial function in older adults. Cinnamon enhances microvascular flow and stabilizes blood sugar, according to Journal of Diabetes Research, 2020. When combined, this duo significantly improves lower limb circulation. A handful of crushed walnuts with a sprinkle of cinnamon is a bedtime snack your heart and legs will love. Try one tonight and see how your legs feel in the morning. Comment below which combo you'll try first. I read and reply to every message because your story matters. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs better circulation and better rest.